Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding. Appreciate all of you guys tuning in and watching the show and the channel with Angelo Christian. Every week we do our YouTube live session. We come in, talk about real estate, talk about the market, what's going on in America. So those of you guys don't know, we're a nationwide commercial, residential, and private lender. We've been doing it for over 2 decades. We do everything from hard money, private, construction, conventional, FHA, VA, USDA. And so we've been doing it for, like I said, over 20 years. We've helped thousands of people. We have all different types of programs. Every week we do our show. We've been doing our social media, our podcast now for 7 years, and reached millions of views and hundreds of thousands of people with that. So and it's a chance to kind of tune in, ask questions. I kind of update you weekly on the market. If you guys need any help with any type of funding, call or text my office, 832-431-6331. We're open 7 days a week. Reach out to us if you have any questions, whatever we can do to help you out with your financing needs. So I'm going to be talking about a few things tonight. If you guys have questions, obviously feel free to ask us whatever's on your mind. So I have some things I kind of want to go over tonight, and if there's things that you want to discuss, definitely bring those up as well. If there's things that you want to go over, give me 1 second, folks. Okay, sorry about that. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to be talking about tonight the NAR real estate settlement lawsuit, kind of what's happening in the market, and maybe what's going to be happening with realtors and the mortgage business too. It was a massive settlement that just happened, and I think it's something that's important to discuss. Also going to be talking about different type of loan products, the FHA zero down home buyer, the VA 500 credit score program, the VA one-time close construction, and our no-doc hard money loans. And like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to ask us, as well. So the first thing is with this NAR, National Association of Realtors settlement that just happened. It was over a $400 million settlement, and it's been ongoing for many years. Actually, it was a multi-billion-dollar lawsuit, but they settled for 400 million. And basically, what it boils down to is that there's been a lot of concerns with the real estate industry, with realtors about steering, inflating property values, coercing sellers, all different types of things. Because right now, the way it works is the seller pays a commission for the seller and the buyer to sell that property. So if you're selling $1 million home, you got to pay 3% to the seller, 3% to the buyer. That's 60,000 in commissions. It doesn't really make a lot of sense to a lot of people for the seller to pay the buyer's agent too. So they kind of want to level the playing field and have the buyer pay for the buyer's representation and the seller pay for the seller's representation. And with that, the seller will pay, the listing agent, whatever their fee agreement is, and then the buyer will actually pay the buyer's fee. The thing that's going to get interesting is, I don't see a lot of buyers coughing up money to pay a realtor up front. They're talking about doing some type of hourly rate, some type of flat fee, some type of per showing fee. Most of the people that I see that are getting loans that are purchases and have a buyer's agent, they're not, I don't see them paying. They can just go online and do it themselves. So, and that's not what I'm suggesting at all. I'm just saying that's a concern that I see about what's happening. Um, so there is some worry about the future with realtors and what's going to happen. There's also a lot of speculation that interest rates will go down from this too. So I really don't know what's going to happen. You know, it's and I don't know what's going to happen next for realtors, because there's obviously millions of realtors, and a lot of them are buyers agents. A lot of them have a dual role with seller and buyer. One of the things that I think that's really important, like we have a loan partner program, and I think it's definitely a time to start thinking about alternative sources of income. Like our loan partner program, maybe they kill the buyer agent industry. Maybe you can become a loan partner and partner up with a lender and do lending and realty. As one way to help you to kind of combat that and scale and grow. Because you can be a loan officer, and you can be a realtor. This is a way how you can be successful, and it can maybe offset or nullify some of the losses that have happened if you were a buyer's agent. You know, and obviously there's a lot of different opinions about all of this, and you have your opinion, and everyone has their thoughts on it. These are just kind of what I'm seeing and what's going on. Ultimately, I want everyone to do well and succeed, and I hope that the buyer's agents can still thrive and it works out. Just have to, I guess, time will tell, and we'll see what happens with this NAR settlement lawsuit. I don't know if you guys have any opinions about that or thoughts, or anyone that's involved in it, but it seems to be pretty sweeping, pretty powerful. So, and there's a lot of um, media on this right now that you can check on, Google Finance, Yahoo Finance, MSN. I mean, it's all over the place. So, Microsoft Edge. I mean, just the news has a lot of attention on this right now. So look it up, the NAR real estate settlement lawsuit, and you can pull up a lot of information on it. So that's one thing I want to talk about. We'll see if rates go down lower. I mean, that would definitely be a good sign if rates go down lower. You know, so shifting gears a little bit, talking about different loan programs. Like I said, we are a nationwide lender. We don't do a hard credit check. We just do a soft credit check to get the process started so it doesn't affect your points and your score. And we have the VA program. We go down to a 500 credit score. And also with our FHA, we go down to a 500 credit score. And we also do the one-time close construction loan for the VA. Now, the one-time close, you have to have a 620 or higher score. But if you're a veteran, you can go up to a $1.5 million loan amount with 100% financing, no money down. So it's an awesome program for you guys out there to be able to help you, because you can get 100% financing, purchase your lot, wrap your construction, the closing costs, and make no payments during the whole construction process. And I mean, so it's zero down. So it's an awesome opportunity for you guys out there to be able to purchase your home, build your house if you're a veteran, and get 100% financing. And it has to be a single family home. So it can't be a multifamily. It has to be for your primary residence. Like I said, you have to have at least a 620 or higher credit score. It's a full documentation, but it's a wonderful product, and it's there to help a lot of veterans to be able to build their house and buy their land at the same time. A lot of construction loans require you to buy the land in cash first or put 20% down. This construction loan is a one-time close, so we lock the interest rate up front, and you get a 30-year fix, and you don't have to put any money down. You can buy the land and wrap that into the construction. So it's a really powerful product, and definitely reach out to us, call or text our office if we can help you with that at 832-431-6331. It's an awesome, awesome program. And then we also have down payment assistance, the FHA, 5% gift money. You can use that for your down payment and your closing costs and get up to 6% closing cost assistance. So virtually be able to buy the property with 100% financing, no money down. That's a very strong program. So if you want to buy up to a $500,000 purchase price, or the FHA county loan limit in your area, it's whatever the county loan limit is, or 500,000, and you can literally buy a property with no money down with FHA. So it's a great program. So you do not have to be a first time buyer. There's no income limitation. There's no location restriction. Um, It has to be for primary residence. You can use it for single family, townhome, condo, even a manufactured home. We even have down payment assistance for single wide and double wide manufactured homes. So that's another opportunity that we can help you with. So, bug. Sorry about that. A bug swim up by me. Um, I think he's going crazy. Anyway, yeah. So the FHA programs are really strong. The ground up construction. We also do ground up construction loans for investors. So if you're an investor or developer, we can either do one deal, that's one single family or multifamily, or we could do 500 units. So we have ground up construction loans. We also have bridge loans. We do loans for hotels, assisted living, senior living, mobile home parks, commercial. So if you need help with any of those type of programs, don't be a stranger. Reach out to us. If there's anything that we can do to help you, we definitely want to discuss that with you. I think for the rest of this year that you're going to start to see interest rates go down probably by the third quarter of the year and towards the end of the year. And I think it's going to be a good year for mortgage, for lending, for real estate. For the most part, we've seen some markets that are really hot, like Oklahoma City. Um, there's also Tennessee and Asheville's very hot right now. Memphis is booming. Parts of obviously North Carolina, South Carolina. Um, you know, you know, parts of Houston is really hot right now. A lot of areas that are still have room for long-term value for growth and development are booming. We have construction loans for developers that want to do either lot development or single-family home development or actual communities for vertical and horizontal construction. So don't be a stranger. Reach out to us if we can help you to get you the financing. Let us know what we can do to help you to put that loan together for ground up construction. We can go up to 85% of the cost. You can roll in the closing costs and the interest payments during construction. You just have to have a 650 or higher credit score, done at least three construction deals in the last 5 years, and have 6 months of reserves. But it's a private mortgage, doesn't report on your personal credit. It closes in your LLC on your EIN. And yeah, I mean, it's an awesome product. So if you're a builder, you're a developer, you're looking to do, get spec financing, reach out to us. We definitely would love to talk to you about our construction loans. Our minimum on the construction is 200,000. We do not have a maximum. So, but our minimum is 200,000 on the construction loan. So if we can help you with that, definitely let us know what we can do to help you to secure the financing. That's a great product. Like I said, it doesn't report to your personal credit; it just goes in your LLC. It takes about 3 weeks to close. The only thing you have to pay for out of pocket is just an appraisal. You don't have to put any money down. Um, but it's a really, really good program for builders and developers, especially in these long, up and coming areas that are growing and booming right now. So another thing that's also really growing and booming um, is like tiny homes, barn dominiums, mobile home parks. These type of things are booming and growing very big right now because the cost of housing has risen so much and homes are so expensive. It's very difficult to get financing for those. So you're seeing like these little mobile home park communities getting opened up, developed. You're seeing all these different like tiny homes, barn dominium communities that are getting developed because it's very expensive to build a house right now. And these are more affordable. So we have private mortgages with private equity to give developers and investors these type of financing packages. We're working on a deal right now in Dallas for 14 million, for a tiny home community in development. So it's an awesome program to be able to help people out, to have making homes affordable. and help these developers and investors to expand their business. So if you're a developer or builder and you need financing packages for that, don't be a stranger. Reach out to us. We'd like to talk to you about that and see what we can do to help you with those programs as well. We have a lot of different options. We also have investor and builder lines of credit. If you're an investor, you want a line of credit, you can actually get a line of credit on your investment properties or your primary residence. There's also even no doc lines of credit where you can just use your bank statements. You don't need tax returns or W-2s or pay stubs to get the financing. And we help a lot of investors that have rental property portfolio and they want to take a line of credit out on their property. They think that they need like a full doc bank loan, and you actually don't need that. You could even do a second mortgage line of credit. So you only pay interest whenever you borrow the money. You can take a $500,000 HELOC and pull that out and have that money ready to go in case there is an opportunity whether you want to buy more rental properties or you want to invest in other asset classes. It's a great product. Um, and you can use it on your primary home, an investment property, a secondary home. So there's a lot of different options that we can do to help you to get the financing. And we have all the links down below in our channel to our website. And obviously you can call or text us at 832-431-6331 if you want to discuss it or you need help with getting the financing for it. We're here. Like I said, don't be a stranger. Reach out to us. So those are kind of some of the main things that I wanted to discuss with you guys tonight. And obviously, if you have questions, reach out. You can reach us on Instagram, official Angelo Christian, TikTok, obviously YouTube, Facebook. If you have any questions, you need help with putting your deal together for financing, reach out to us. We do all different types of loan programs. We do lend nationwide. Like I said, if you're a broker or you're an agent, you're looking to expand and grow, we have our loan partner program where you can legally get paid for your referrals. Check out the loan partner program. It's an awesome opportunity to be able to network with us and grow your business. So, and we do our lives every single week. We've done a ton of lives. There's over 1,500 videos on our YouTube channel. We've been doing YouTube for over 7 years. And we got, like I said, over 1,500 videos, millions of hours watched. So a lot of educational content to be able to help you. So we have a lot of new products that are coming out for 2024. We do have our multifamily program up to 4 units with only 5% down. That's a great opportunity. So just let us know. We also have our jumbo no doc. You can buy a home up to $2 million with only 10% down, or super jumbo up to 3.3 million with 10% down too. Another great program that we offer with no tax returns, no W-2s, no pay stubs. If you're an investor or you're trying to buy your dream home. Thank you, Matt. I appreciate you, man. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Reach out to us if there's anything that we can do to help you guys out. We're definitely here to give you the content and the power. Those are some of the latest updates that we're kind of seeing in the market right now. And like I said, what the latest is with that NAR settlement lawsuit. If you're a realtor and you're looking to get extra business right now, look at the loan partner program. Try to partner up either with us or with somebody else, to stay afloat and keep your business going. That loan partner program, we've done a lot of videos on it. It's on our YouTube talking about how it works. I don't know what the future is for the realtor business. I hope that it stays prosperous and it does well. But you always be proactive, pivot, adjust. I'm sure that you'll find a way to make it work. So anyway, I appreciate all of you guys tuning in and watching the show tonight. We'll be back again next week. Talk about more market updates. If you want any more information, you need help, don't be a stranger. Call or text our office, 832-431-6331. Thank you so much for watching Angelo Christian Live. We'll be back again next week. Y'all take care. Peace out. Have a great weekend. Be safe.